Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ganymed Misson, but in the Star Adventure series. Now, fair warning, I do believe this thing might be broken. Look how loose it is. Look at that. Now, when I opened the box it came in, well, it was very broken. There will be pictures on the screen. I should probably have sent it back. Look at that. It's like I can get an entire finger in this crack. So I'm not sure if it's broken or not, but hey, we'll figure it out. I mean, that is very loose. Now this is supposed to be a very simple solve, but I am worried that this is just cracked. It doesn't seem to split much though, but it has a split on that end and on that. Okay, so this thing is moving a lot. Okay, is this a wedge? It kind of looks like a wedge. Yeah. Does not go that way. And it does not go any further there. What about here? Is this a wedge? This is a wedge. Oh! Okay. Okay, so it is a very simple puzzle. And this thing should just... It's still locked. Okay. Is there some way of getting it the other way? There! Went a lot further that way. Oh. I guess it wasn't broken. And it was a very simple solve. Star Adventure. Yeah. Okay. So that was simple. That was actually very underwhelming. Alright. Okay. So I guess that was it. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.